Hi, this is Vince Stambros with Helix Water District. Today I'm going to show you how to use your water shutoff valve so that you can stop leaks, prevent damage, and make repairs. Your shutoff valve is in your meter box. It's typically in front of your property, in the ground, near the sidewalk or street, in a concrete box that is labeled water. I recommend using a long screwdriver to open your meter box, but you can use pliers or your finger. Open the water meter and clear any debris or spider webs. The customer shutoff valve is above the meter. The valve has a lever or a wheeled handle. Take handle and turn to shut off the water. Turn to wheeled valves clockwise. When the handle stops, the water is off. If you're unable to operate your customer valve, you may need to request your water utility to shut off your water service. If you're a Helix customer, contact us for help. To turn the water back on, open the valve slowly until the meter stops moving. If the meter does not stop moving, you may have a leak or have something running. Sometimes after a repair, you may have air trapped in your lines. You can remove the air by opening a faucet and letting it run for a few minutes. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. For more information, please go to hwd.com.